welcome to another episode of the Melody Renovation project. We are up to episode 6. So we're at the point now that we're starting to get our furniture delivered. Well, maybe not our furniture per se, it's actually Jill's furniture. I feel like we have been living, breathing the renovation in Jill's apartment this whole time, that it just we have such a vested interest.
We do.
It's like our little baby. Yeah. So we really started thinking through right at the very beginning what kind of furniture Jill will probably need, what furniture will look good in this space, because we wanted to keep that front of mind, because I think sometimes you tend to just kind of focus on the renovation and then
you lose sight
of furniture, but you always need to remember that there's actually delivery times. And you also want to make sure that you've got furniture, one, that's in stock, and two, it's going to tie in well with the design of your space.
and the sizing as well, right?
The sizing, exactly. So even though the furniture bit comes at the end, really you need to start thinking about what materials do you want, what furniture do you need, what kind of spatial plan are you going to have. We wanted to make this place as homely as possible for Jill, so that the moment she walks in, it's all done, it's all set up, and it's all cohesive as well, and it all ties in together and just, it makes sense and it looks pretty. Yes. Thankfully, for the furniture assembly, that's where Jill, her partner, her brother, and Ange as well, pitched in. It's not my forte.
You did pitch in though.
Oh yeah, but not as much.
Rich likes to check out cardboard boxes.
Oh yes. Alright, rubbish runs. Yay. Yes, I don't know why, but I actually, it's all about the cleaning. You guys are like, yes, I'm putting this together. I'm like, yeah, don't really care.
So I think the most important thing about furniture assembly is have a good, clean working space, because it comes like some things come in so many parts. You better sometimes assemble it separately and then put it together.
What about the shoe rack with 86 screws?
Oh my god, don't talk about the shoe rack. Please don't talk about the shoe rack.
The shoe rack had more screws than any other furniture combined. Yes. Well, not combined, but you know. So it was essentially 2 weeks for the furniture delivery, and then another probably 2 weeks end to end for all the furniture assembly.
Yeah.
And then after the assembly, it was skip bin time.
Oh yeah, skip bin
Yes.
time. We had thousands of rubbish.
And all the furniture delivery and all the furniture assembly, really the final touch was all the styling. I think styling in general is really the thing that brings it all together. You can start off with really great interior design that you've incorporated with a really good renovation, but at the end of the day, I feel that the thing that really just takes it that one step further, that kind of cherry on top, is the styling.
I feel like, we've done a great job with the reno. Without the styling, you don't see the zones, you don't see how it would all tie together.
Probably a few things worth mentioning is really just make sure that it's in keeping with the design. It's really about just making sure that the decor items, the furniture pieces, and your homewares, your linen, everything is cohesive. For me personally, I'm a massive fan of colour as well. So that was one of the things that was really, really, really exciting to work on about this project, because we were able to really use colour. We were able to incorporate it in the walls, in furniture, in decor. We would have collectively spent hours, I think, in the design planning and then styling planning stage. But I think it's worked out really well.
I think so. I really like this. I wish this was mine.
Planning. episode. So we're wrapping up the project, or we have wrapped up the project actually.
That's it. We're all done.
We're all done.
The day has come.
We are literally going to do the formal key handover to a very good friend slash client
Slash
Jill.
baby sister.
Yes, she's like our baby sister. We've had the most amazing time.
Yeah, we bonded so well over this project. When I think of Jill and I look around this place, it screams Jill.
Oh, absolutely. Everything about this place I feel is really Jill.
Yeah. And the transformation. When you see the before and the after, it's like, are you really the same place? Is that Jill's been so on board with trying something different all the time. You know, she's been great with having different ideas and trying something new. You know, so I think, you know, I really want to thank Jill for giving us the opportunity to work with her and do this renovation for her.
We're just so beyond stoked with the way that this place has really come together. From the design planning to all the renovating, all the painting and flooring, all the different buddings runs. Wrapping up the project, the Melody Renovation project. Oh, and fun fact, the reason why we've actually called it Melody is Jill, our friend slash client. She sings and she has the voice of an angel.
Oh yes.
So we thought we'd name the project Melody Renovation Project. Pretty much it symbolises her, it symbolises what this apartment is about. Yeah, I've had fun. We've both had fun. with us and you've enjoyed it just as much as we have.
Yeah.
And you've enjoyed the design and renovation
And
result.
the transformation.
Yeah, the transformation as much as we have. So thanks heaps for watching. Thanks heaps for your support.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, our YouTube channel to see our up and coming projects.
Because we'll be planning our next one soon.
So stay tuned.
Hello and welcome to another episode of...
Not yet.
Okay. Hello and
I'm meant to be telling you about the episodes.
welcome to Melody Renovation Project, episode 11. 11 episodes later, we are still not in sync. And then we'll also finish the living room feature wall back this way. Oh no, it doesn't?
No, let's get the feature wall then.
Okay.
Not like feature wall.
When it comes to renovating, one of the things we find really handy are paint sprays.
Paint sprays? Spray painting. That doesn't sound right. Paint
I know! I said it, I was like, what is that?
spray paint.
Awesome! Peace out. But you said you don't do peace out. No, we don't. Okay. That's it. Fade.
Can you do fade again?